Systeme.io tutorial for beginners. This is a complete guide. I'll walk you through what you need to know before you subscribe to Systeme.io. I'll advise you to watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. I'll put the link in the description box. Click on it, and after, click on Get Started. Enter your email address and click Get My Free Account. Please make sure you use best email address because you have to confirm the email address, then create your account. So that's basic steps that you need to take. Systeme.io has all the tools you need to run a successful online business. So you can create sales funnels, email marketing. Systeme.io is a website builder. You can easily set up your website in under 10 minutes. You can run affiliate program with Systeme.io. You can set up your business automation, evergreen webinar, and also you can create online courses. You can blog with it and sell product. I've signed in, so I'll walk you through step by step. So first of all, let's go back to the dashboard. So if I click the main dashboard and I'll hover over to the affiliate dashboard, all the details that you have currently, you have your affiliate link. If you promote Systeme.io, you're gonna earn 50% lifetime commission, and if you need to look into. Apart from that, you have your student dashboard. These are courses that you can promote under Systeme.io, and you have the marketplace. These are also products that you can promote. Under contact, this is where all your subscriptions will come. Make sure you tag them. You're not gonna be mixing your leads. So for instance, this is for Make Money Online. If I wanna create another one, I can name it, let's say, how to lose weight. So I need to make sure I have the right tag. So if I have to promote any product, it's gonna be easier for me to promote it to the right audience. So that's basically about it. So if you want to create a tag, actually let me show you. If you wanna create a tag, you click create a tag, name the tag, then you proceed from there. It's a funnel, the funnel builder. I'll use this funnel as an example. So click on it. So under here, let's say if I want to edit, I can click on edit. I like simple landing pages. If I want to edit, I just have to click on it and go through it. So that's basically it, not that complicated. And to choose your funnel, let's say if I want to create a thank you page for this, I'll click add, and I'll name it, let's say, thank you page. Thank you. So this is opt-in thank you page. Then I'll save a bunch of templates here, and I can choose one of them. So let's say I can go with this. I can preview first. Thanks for showing interest. So this is a thank you page video. If I want it, I can close this and click select. To name it, I can just change the name. So let's say Profit Online / or dash thank you. So then I'll save it. Then click edit to work on it. If I want to edit, so let's say I don't want this, I'll delete this, delete it. If I want to add a video, I'll click here. So let's say, for instance, I want to add this video. I'll click here, share, copy. I'll go back here. So make sure you click on it. So let me show you. You click on it, then double click here, delete, paste, bam. You have it here already. Now, if you want to direct them to affiliate product, you're going to click on the link, click on the start now. I'm going to hover and click on the setting, double click this, delete it, and I'll drop the link. I'll click on it. I have copied. Or you can double click to highlight everything. Then I'll go back to the editor, click here, Control V. Then after, I'll click save. Everything is saved right now. And if I want to change this, double click this, highlight, and I will say, let's say for instance, thank you, simple like this. And if I want to change the color, I'll just go here and say I want to use blue. And I'll change the bottom here to blue as well, because that's Systeme.io color. Then I'll scroll down and I'll click here, change it to, actually, yeah, let me raise it a bit, blue. And this is, you can play with. And here you see how it says get started from the beginning. So you click on it, then you scroll down and you double click this, get my free account. Then I'll click save. For now, everything is good to go. When your prospect watch this, interested, click this. Then you're gonna earn your commissions. Go back. You can go back here, or you can just click here to go back. For automation rules, I can click this. Then click on add rule. Final step from subscribe, click on it. Then add action. Then subscribe campaign. subscribe to campaigns. I don't have a campaign now. I'll delete it just to show you what I'm doing. Under emails, you have your newsletters. This is if you want to create general email blast. So this is not a sequence. This is just one time. So you click here to create your email, send the name, then the contact, and make sure you choose either visual or classic editor. I prefer classic editor, but I don't want to create that. You have your campaigns as well when subscribe to your email list. Even if you are outside the country, then the email will be sent to them automatically without you doing anything. To do so, you click on create, then name it, give a description that attract them. Then after you click save, I have tutorials on all these things I'm showing you. I have a playlist. So let me find the Systeme.io playlist. So click here. All right, my videos for Systeme.io. I'll drop this link under the description box. Don't forget to check it out. One thing I forgot to show you, these funnels. To create it, you just click on create here, name it, then select your domain name. So by default, Systeme.io will use your subdomain name, and I don't like using my subdomain name. Always good to subscribe to a professional domain name. And I prefer Namecheap. I'll drop the link in the description box as well. See how to connect and verify your domain name in Systeme.io. Select audience. If you want to sell, you click sell. In most cases, it's build an audience for landing pages. Custom and run evergreen, you don't need that one. You just have to select one. Or if I select this, then I have to choose the currency. You have euro, you have Canadian, Australian dollar. Like let's say if I want to select US. So we have the US dollar here. I haven't named it yet. Tutorial, choose this, and I select. See, once everything is selected, then I can click save. I don't want to do that. Just to show you how to create your funnels. Once you click save, it's going to bring you to the editor. Select your template before editing. So just by the way, I forgot to show you that quick blog. So this is the blog dashboard. So to create a blog, just click on create. To name your blog, let's say nobody will see this name. It's just for your record. Like here, success page. This is just for my record. Then I'll choose my domain name or the subdomain name. Like I said, don't use subdomain name. Then you're gonna name this. This will be an extension. If this is your first time and you want this to be your main domain name for your website, you will not add anything here. Just leave it the way it is. Then select your template. I would like to select this one. Before that, you can even preview it. Then you click create. But I don't want to do that. But for instance, I have success page already under this successpage.io. That's my domain name. If I want this to be second blog about health, I will say health, and over here I will name it health. This will be extension of this domain name, but it's gonna be second blog website. But if you have the free plan, you can only create one, and the rest will be just blog post. Let me close this quick. And I have tutorial on how to set up your blog website. This tutorial shows you how to create your blog website from scratch. So let's go back. On top of that, it's gonna show you, I have example here too. And this tutorial will show you how to create blog posts, how to connect it to Google Search Console so that you can rank on Google. Just for you to know, you have everything here. And so for automation rules, remember, I was not able to connect it to a specific funnel, but remember I told you I need to create a new rule. I can create it here, and I'll say, so this is a different rule. I'll click create rule, then I'll take it from there, but I don't want to do that. And on top of that, you have your products, physical product, orders, coupons, courses, communities. You have under sales, you have transactions, transcriptions, affiliate invoice, my affiliate programs. So this is if you are running a sales website and product. On top of that, if you have questions, you come to help, and your basic settings. If you want to change your password, then log out. And as well, you have your languages. If you want to switch languages, for instance, if I want to switch to French, see, everything has changed. I'll switch it back. Yeah, this is basically it. But like I said, I have tutorials on all of this. So choose a plan. Like I said earlier on, you can choose the free version. With the free version, you have up to 2,000 email subscriptions. You can send unlimited emails, but you can create only 3 funnels, and the steps is 15 steps. Like with all the steps I'm showing you, you have to make sure you use it wisely. You can create one blog website, but under the blog website, you can create unlimited blog posts, which is this one. Now, let me show you the blog website I've created with this system. I forgot to show you that one as well. So go to blog and have a view. So this is the blog website I've created. See, it looks really nice and clean. And if I click, let's say click on this one, as you can tell, see, it looks nice and clean. This is how I like to create my blog website. I don't want too much stuff. But just for you to know, let's go back. Actually, go back to pricing, and you have your tag, one tag only, one automation. That's why it's always good to not rely too much on free. You can integrate you have access to Stripe integration if you are selling online, PayPal integration, Razorpay integration, Flutterwave. But they have a lot, which is good. And most people use PayPal, is good, 24/7 email support. And this is the plan I have for up to 5,000 email subscribers, unlimited email sends, 10 sales funnel instead of 3, 50 sales funnel steps. Basically, I can create 5 blog posts. I can create 5 blog websites, as you know already. And like I said, blog posts is unlimited. You can create, once you set up, you can create blogs. Blog post is unlimited. So for instance, here, as you can tell, I have 5 blog posts, and this is unlimited. I can post as much as I want. So this is just about that, and that's about the blog post. And I can create 5 courses, unlimited student access, community 5, and the list goes on. And file storage space unlimited. This is amazing, because especially if you are uploading images and videos, you want unlimited. And even with the free, it's unlimited for me. Automation rules 10, workflow 5 tags, 10 tags by 1 for free. Email campaigns, this is the most important thing. I can set up 10 email campaigns, and inside each campaign you can have layers, and you have a whole bunch of things. Just so you know, like I said, I'll drop the link in the description box. Please don't forget to click on it and sign up. And also, I'll drop the tutorials, the playlist tutorial for this system. Also, I'll drop my Systeme.io playlist. Just watch it as much as you want and set up your Systeme.io website. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.